Alright, I'm having an issue with my 2015 Polaris Sportsman 570. Won't crank over. Install the winch. Drained my battery a bit playing with it. Bike wouldn't start. Alright, so I put it on the charger. Still wouldn't start. Checked the battery. Battery fluid was way low. Didn't notice it. So I jumped it off, made sure everything worked with the truck. It would run until I pulled the bike off, or the jumper cable off. Alright. So that's when I actually looked at the battery and realized my levels were low, filled it with water, capped them all back off. Put it on the charger, let it sit overnight, getting a volt reading of, give me a second. Alright, getting a volt reading of 13, which is weird because 2 minutes ago it was reading 12.5. So I'm thinking my battery's fried. But I'm going to show you something else that the bike does. I don't know if I'm missing a breaker or whatnot. Alright, reinstall the battery. Negative terminal. I don't know if you can see it. Positive terminal. Alright, so battery's plugged in. I just installed the key. Light pops up. That screams neutral. No check engine light. There we go. So, still on. Then go back, or went from crank back to on. I go to off. Nothing. Not a thing. That's why I'm thinking it's a relay, or a computer, or the breaker. This infamous breaker that I can't find. Oh well.